Okay, so this is just regular iPhone 5S or SE, and this is the special equipment we use. It's a Linea Pro 5. It's made by Infinite Peripheral. It's actually a barcode scanner. So when you slide the phone in, it connects to the Lightning port, and it's used to scan tickets. We are an event ticketing company, so we use this for entry at, if you go to a concert, fair, festival, they have the little handheld scanners, and they're used to scan admission tickets to an event. So the app by itself, without any peripheral equipment connected, is just log in. This is the version on the App Store right now. Log in. So it loads up the event. Without the attachment, when you try to scan tickets, it actually uses, I just installed it. It uses the camera, the built-in camera. So I just find that barcode. And, well, if I actually loaded the right event. Let me change this real quick, just so you can see right information. Theater event 1. Yeah, okay, that's it. Load event. Sorry. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so use the camera. And so this is normally how it works for people that don't have the special equipment. Okay, so that's valid. And then I'm going to come over here. We'll scan this one. And that's valid. Now, for the people that want to be professional and awesome, they use this infinite peripheral equipment. So what you're seeing in there, the external equipment, is you take this, try to do this one-handed here, and you slide it in. And then it actually allows you, when you push that button, it lights up, or when you press the scan button. Now, I guess I need to restart this. Oops, actually, let me go into the settings, and you can probably see this here. Yeah, see, enable infinite peripheral gear. So when you turn that on, that's going to activate the connection to this equipment, so it should light up. There we go, see? So now when you press it, it triggers the SDK that lights up the scanner. So instead of using the camera, you can actually use a laser scanner. And then we have, you put the top on, you put the protective, and then you put the plastic hard shell case to keep it safe. So when you get your tickets, you come over here, and actually I already used those. Come over here. Okay, so then they come and they scan the barcode. And then this one's already used, and then you scan another barcode. There we go. So this is the peripheral device that you're seeing in there. This is exactly what it's for.